Guys, do we have to lead on it yet, guys? I'm so tired right now, guys. Do we have to lead on it or no, guys? Because we have to get the lead on the Secret Service dude, and I have no idea who he even looks like. I gotta go wash this thing off. Get him! Oh. I just took my eye off. Now I'm gonna kill you guys both. Oh, Dad. Ah, take that work. And I got your eyeball. My eyeball. It's time for Scorpio. Take this, boy. Oh, what? Oh. Ah, take this. Ah. Whoa. Ah. That's right. Take down the player, not the friend. Ooh. Action on this, boys. Ah. Dad, what the hell are you doing? Come here, Dad. Wait. Oh. Take this. Ah. My eye fell off. Ooh. Let's put your eye back together. Dad, let's put your eye back together. Hold on. There we go, Dad. You're perfect. I am now evil snowstorm. Let's get to the end of the video. Ah, no, Dad. You can't be fooled with the truth. Oh, ooh. Daddy, you're alive, Dad. Oh, but his eye came off. I gotta fix that. Dad, come here.